What if I told you there's a simple, secure way to cash out your crypto profits without the hassle of traditional exchanges? Hook. Imagine you've just scored a big win on your favorite cryptocurrency. You've watched the price soar, and now you're ready to take your profits. But how do you do it without getting lost in a maze of complex trading platforms? Context. That's where Newton comes in. Newton is a user-friendly crypto trading app designed with simplicity in mind. It's perfect for beginners and experienced traders alike, offering a seamless experience from buying to selling. Main content. Step 1. Sign up and verify. The first step is to download the Newton app from your app store and create an account. Once you've signed up, you'll need to verify your identity to comply with regulatory requirements. This is a quick and easy process that typically involves providing your personal information and uploading a photo of your ID. Step 2. Fund your account. Now that your account is verified, it's time to fund it. Newton offers multiple funding options, including bank transfers, Interac e-transfers for Canadian users, and cryptocurrency deposits. Choose the method that suits you best and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 3. Select your cryptocurrency. Once your account is funded, you can start exploring the wide range of cryptocurrencies available on Newton. Use the search bar or browse the categories to find the coin you want to sell. Tap on the coin to view its details, including its current price and chart. Step 4. Place your sell order. To place a sell order, tap on the Sell button. You'll be asked to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell and the price at which you want to sell it. You can choose to sell at the current market price or set a limit order to sell at a specific price. Step 5. Confirm your order. Before confirming your order, review the details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, tap on Confirm to place your sell order. Step 6. Withdraw your funds. Once your sell order is executed, your funds will be credited to your Newton account. You can then withdraw your funds to your bank account or another cryptocurrency wallet. Simply navigate to the Withdraw section, select your preferred method, and follow the instructions. Additional tips. Security. Newton prioritizes security and employs advanced measures to protect your funds. Always enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security. Fees. Be aware of the fees associated with buying and selling cryptocurrencies on Newton. These fees can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and payment method. Market volatility. Remember that the cryptocurrency market can be highly volatile. It's important to do your research and understand the risks involved before investing. Customer support. If you have any questions or encounter issues, Newton's customer support team is available to assist you. Outro. With that said, selling crypto on Newton is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few simple steps. The app's user-friendly interface and secure environment make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced traders. So go ahead and start selling your crypto today.